It's all crumpled up. It's all crumpled up. The stickers. That's not good. Color blue.
You don't need these anymore.
Blue, yellow, white, babe. Black.
Take this off too.
I need to put the stickers.
You got fingernails big? Because I can't get this stuff off. Yeah. They're worth two, baby. Cute, huh?
Cute. A Jeep.
Yeah. That's it, babe. That's the charge. First time 18 and 14. Don't overcharge it. Set like a timer.
Can I ride it, babe, also?
Are you 130 pounds?
No.
You can ride it then.
I am 106.
But you could only put like maybe Michael in it.
105.
Dyann's probably 35 or plus, so you can't ride with Dyann. You'd have to ride with Michael. So you'd have to walk with Dyann in there. I'm gonna have to set it up after for the motor to turn it on low speed too, until I get used to it.
Yeah, low speed first.
Yeah, it's a double seater. Look at that for both. Fancy, huh?
Cute.
Oh, fake key on there. I guess you just press the pedal and it goes and let up and it stops. There's a radio and I don't know what all the other buttons are for.
The radio gonna work?
You put batteries in it. It tells you right here how to do it. You need 3